Have you experienced losing all your data on your iPhone? Tried searching for how you could get back your deleted data from your iPhone? Want to have a recovery iPhone data tool that is free? If you are experiencing all these, we will show you how. The direct way is to use the free iPhone data recovery tool. If you have data backups, it is the most suitable choice for you. Here are top 9 free iPhone data recovery software for recommendations. 1. PhoneDog iOS Data Recovery. 2. dr.fone-Data Recovery for iOS. 3. EaseUS MobiSaver. 4. iMobie PhoneRescue. 5. Leawo iOS Data Recovery. 6. iSkySoft iPhone Data Recovery. 7. Free iPhone Data Recovery. 8. Aiseesoft Fonelab. 9. Tenorshare iPhone Data Recovery. The PhoneDog iOS Data Recovery tool can recover all your lost or deleted data on your iPhone device. It can restore your deleted photos, contacts, videos, call logs, WhatsApp, Viber and a lot more. Next, taking PhoneDog iOS Data Recovery as an example to view the detailed steps of how to do iPhone data recovery for Windows or Mac computers. 1. How to recover deleted data directly from iOS. iPhone data recovery without data backups. Step 1. Launch and connect your iPhone device. Step 2. Scan your iPhone device. Step 3. Preview and restore deleted data from iPhone. 2. How to restore deleted data via iTunes backups. Step 1. Launch and connect your device. Step 2. Select iTunes backup file. Step 3. Preview and recover deleted files from iTunes backup file. 3. How to retrieve deleted data with iCloud backups. Step 1. Sign in your iCloud account. Step 2. Download your iCloud backup. Step 3. Recover data from iPhone devices. This software can also work on your iPad, so just in any case that you might have mistakenly deleted some of your data on your iPad, you can always rely on PhoneDog iOS Data Recovery tool. More information please view.